So what we will do is we will use Meta AI to generate an image. Okay. Remember the prompt earlier? Okay. The prompt template. Okay, but I'm just gonna do a shortcut here. So imagine durian seller on the street. Okay. While you type, you will start creating the version already. So you can fine tune on the street with a lot of crowd. Enter. Okay, so it's generating different version of the image for uh you. Okay, then if you like it, you can download it. If not, you can uh edit the prompt. Okay, maybe change the scene to evening. Okay, so now it's evening.